Nokia 5.1 Plus is one of the budget phones from Nokia that is showing now. And this is the cover, the packet. Unless we can now open Nokia 5.1 and see what is inside this. And now we can check the camera. If you look, the main camera is 13 megapixel with LED flash, and selfie we take now, and here you can see that 8 megapixel is the selfie camera. The charger is C-type charger used in this phone, and the battery is 3060 mAh non-removable ion battery. So the back is also very nice stylish design, and you can also see that the power and volume switch on the side. And if we move to the properties, you can see that this phone, which is running on Android 8.1, that is upgradable to Android 9.0 and Android 1 with the chipset of MediaKit MT6771 Helio PC0, micro SD card up to 400 GB, internal memory 32 GB, 3 GB RAM, 64 GB, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB, 6 GB RAM. So options are available, and the display is very good with IPS LCD capacitive touch screen. And the weight of this phone overall is 160 gram. It's a dual SIM phone, and fingerprint sensor also available.